what we wanted to create with this game is to have a more objective way to analyze the knowledge level of the various compliance officers. We do this line manager level on a face-to-face check, but obviously being face-to-face with the line manager not always is objective, or is not objective the same way throughout the department. So with the game we have found an objective way to test our team and see where more training might be needed or more effort might be needed. Equally so, there is a training burden, especially in compliance. We have a lot that we need mandatory training for. And we wanted something that was a little bit different with the added competitiveness, as put that little speed in that actually individuals have enjoyed taking the module, the game, and it was possible to take it up to 3 times, and most people did indeed, to improve and reach the leaderboard and joke with the others on my point they got. So that's really good. But to be able to take it again, individual had proactively to go and refresh their knowledge with the documentation that we made available to be able to improve themselves, and that again is a proactiveness that we wanted to trigger to refresh existing staff knowledge on our major policy and regulation. And now the wealth of information we